First impressions are important, so I'm going to teach you how to be the coolest kid this school year. All right? Well, first things first, you don't want to have hair like this. You want to have it up and up to. Like, girls really like updos, and so do guys, if that's what you're into. I'm going to take this hair and take it from drab to fab, but like, in the manly way. You know what I'm saying, bro? The shizzle. So we're going to take the hair, and first things first, we're going to put it up in a high ponytail like this. Now, you don't want to make it too tight because it'll ruin the next step. You hear me? You hear me? Yeah. Don't let your voice crack, because that's a real turn off. And bada bada bing bada boom, baby. Ladies love man with volume, and I'm not really a well-pronounced guy, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that. One sec. This is an unwashed t-shirt. I went to the gym. It's important that you don't wash it. You got to sweat in it and get your like testosterone all over it. And now I'm just gonna, yeah. And this is what women want to see, man. And then you can't do like the squat like this. You got to do it like this because real men don't want to squish their junk. You know, keep it cool. Awesome. And now I'm gonna show you how to walk the walk.
Hey Kids, die Welt ist jetzt cooler, denn hier kommt ein Superstar. Ich bin der reinste Wahnsinn. Wenn ich erscheine, dann ist jeder hin. Alle Gangster schaudern, wenn sie mich nur sehen. Alle Mädchen kann ich ihren Kopf verdrehen. Ich bin Leo Laster, ich weiß Bescheid, ich bin total angesagt. Oh, ich bin Leo Laster, jederzeit bereit. Ich bin überall gefragt.